Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. Today I wanted to do a Louis Vuitton unboxing for you. And it's a little bit different because I did have this piece in my collection before and I parted ways with it last year. So I was really missing it and I wanted to add it back into my collection. So this is what it will look like when you purchase an item from the boutique. You will have the top handle bag, the dust box, and then obviously proof of purchase. And the top handle bag is actually really great. You can totally repurpose it. It's made out of a thicker material and the straps are very nice. So I definitely keep all of mine for sure. So let's go ahead and jump right into the unboxing. Here is the dust box that it comes in. And there's the beautiful blue Louis Vuitton ribbon that you will get with new purchases. If you're lucky enough to buy a pre-loved item, it may or may not come with the ribbon. So this is just a nice little added bonus when you do purchase something brand new. So let's go ahead and open it up. And obviously, like I said, it's a small leather good. So let's take a look and see what it is. Obviously, I already know, but it is the Louis Vuitton Zippy coin purse. And I am so excited to have this back in my collection. I do have the Victorine wallet, which is why I sold this piece initially, because I thought that I would like the Victorine better. But I'm going to post another video and compare my three wallets that I do have and give my opinion on what I think is best. So here, obviously, it's all monogram, and it has a beautiful gold hardware. I am just such a sucker for gold hardware and the canvas. I just think it's so beautiful together. And the zipper, of course, just like in true Louis fashion, the zipper is so smooth and I love it so much. So of course, the first thing I'm going to look at is to see where it was made, because I love all my pieces to be made in France, even though they say it doesn't matter. To me, it does. So this one is made in France, so I was very excited. So when you open it up, it's almost accordion-like. You do have a pretty decent amount of slots for cards. So you've got 3 on one side, and then you've got a center compartment that could fit a couple of cards as well. I think this is just the card that'll just tell you what it's coated and what it's coated with, what the fabric is. And then to find the serial number, that will be in the little envelope with your proof of purchase. So you can see I paid $505 US, and this is the serial number for this specific item. So as I said, the center pocket is pretty spacious, and then you've got the other 3 on the side, and this back pocket is actually very spacious as well. You can definitely fit multiple cards in there. So I'm going to do a demo to see what fits in there and what would be comfortable. So let me see. I think I've got some gift cards here, and then a couple of store credit cards that I don't use too often, but just for examples. As an example, I wanted to show this. I didn't want to put my driver's license and credit card in there. So this is just a little demo to see what could fit comfortably. So we've got our Disney gift card here, which fits beautifully. Got a Victoria's Secret gift card. This I had a little bit of a struggle, but not bad at all. You just need to be careful. Because you can see there is some markings if you're too rough with it. So I always try to be extra careful. And then the Nordstrom card fit totally fine in the back. Plenty of room for more cards. And then let's just see what'll fit in the center. This is just my Target credit card. Fits beautifully with room to spare. And then of course, and I want to show you an example. You can fit, usually I would put my license and my most used card, which would be a debit card, in the center compartment. And excuse me, I am still fighting a cold, so please bear with me with my nasally congested sound. And then I wanted to add another card just to show you what it could look like when it's almost full. Then I want to see what it would look like to have multiple cards in the back slot. So let's go ahead and take out the Costco card and the Spaghetti Factory gift card and put it in the back. And you can see it slides in beautifully, no issues at all. There's really no stiffness, or it's not really tight. It fits perfectly fine. And so I don't usually carry cash, but for whatever reason, I've got $70 in cash on me at the moment. So let's see how the cash fits in there as well. And I would just fold it up because obviously you can't put it in long ways, right? But it fits totally fine. And you can see the sides. My biggest thing is I don't want anything that's too thick. And that's why I wanted to convert back into the Zippy coin purse, just because I feel like it would fit better. It's more slim, and even with cash in there and my cards in there, it's completely fine. It will not take up a ton of space. So I really love this piece, and I'm so excited to have it back in my collection. I hope you found this video helpful. If you are considering adding it to your collection, comment down below and let me know. I'd love to hear your thoughts and feedback. Thanks, guys. See you soon. Bye.